The title of this video is not meant to mislead you. This is from my personal experience. 17 seconds is all that you need to manifest each and every desire of yours into reality. What matters is how you prepare for those 17 seconds and how well you achieve it. And that is obviously through constant practice. And once you get into the groove, it becomes so easy. 17 seconds and you manifest anything you want. In this video, I will give you the steps to achieve perfection in manifesting your desires. How to reach those 17 seconds, that is all that will matter to you after some practice. Let's start. Your spiritual self. You may be an atheist. You may be highly religious. You may be from any of the plethora of religions and faiths in the world. Does not matter. But what you need to accept and gradually understand is that you are not what you think you are. What you are is your spirit. A wonderful energy that is within you. Your soul, your conscience, subconscious. You can visualize it in any form. Maybe as a ball that is very flexible, malleable, which is how I visualize. A ball that radiates so much of energy within you that you get goosebumps the moment you think of it. This spirit has merely rented out your body for this edition of your life on earth. If you believe in life after death, maybe your spirit could rent out the body of a dog in your next birth. Maybe you were earlier a dinosaurus. You never know. The soul never dies. It is never ending. It is your soul that demands so many things from you, and you work tirelessly every day for your soul, your spirit, your subconscious. Does it make sense? If not, make sure you ask for more details, and I will be happy to put up more information about this in another video. For now, you have to learn to accept the presence of a spirit within you, which is the actual you. Next, we need to get into a meditative state where you are able to separate the spirit from your physical self, your body. That is actually easy, but unfortunately most people have trouble there. I bumped upon a thought process a couple of years back to instantly transport me to that state. What I do after a few deep breaths, when I concentrate on the tip of my nostril, the cold air, and the mouth, when the hot air is expelled, I immediately move to looking for this ball of spirit within me. I visualize the ball of spirit on my forehead and then begin to travel with it. It moves towards my midbrain, where lies my pineal gland. At this stage, my physical body is forgotten. I know not the existence of it, as I have already got transported to a world of infinite abundance. The ball begins to emit a warm light of great intensity. That is when I know that I am there. I do agree that some days I have failed due to various factors, but I wanted to teach you the emotions behind it all so that you can also try and achieve the state in your own way. Next, what I do is I begin to play with the ball. I push the ball to my throat area, my heart, my lungs, etc. And I feel the warmth in those areas. Initially, I was trying to imagine the warmth, but with practice, the area actually warms up, let me tell you. When you reach that stage, you can also heal specific parts of your body of almost any disease. Trust me, I visualize the ball traveling all around within my body. I give it a face and watch it laughing away. It is happiness all around. And that opens my mind to the universal abundance. Once I reach that stage, I keep myself fully involved so that I continue to ignore and forget my physical body. I am what my spirit is, knocking about my head, all happy and vibrant and transporting me to a huge different world of happiness and ecstasy. It is at this stage that my manifestation exercise starts. Manifest only one thing at a time. This is my experience. Let them be small and achievable easily. Manifestation works equally well for anything, small or big, but it takes time. For instance, let's say you visualize the latest Lamborghini car. Let us assume that you are in no financial position for even 1 month's mortgage payment. The Lamborghini will definitely come, but then the energies in the universe will first work to improve your financial standing. Maybe a new house, a spacious driveway, propel you into a higher society, and then give you a Lamborghini. This takes time. This is why I suggest to keep things small. They can be achievable, but they are at a distance. This way, you experience the magic of manifestation quicker, and you are happier as you move from one stage to another. So let's get back. Once you reach that stage of extreme abundance and the oneness with your spirit or your spiritual self, get crystal clear on what you want to manifest. Crystal clear. Yes, it may sound simple, but let me tell you that most often people do not consider the details of what they really want. It is not okay if you visualize money. You need to visualize the exact amount of money that you need, down to the denomination, form, and also what you want to do with the money, to precision detail. Only then will you experience the magic of manifestation. For instance, if you want, say, 5,000 rupees for a specific set of clothes, do not be amazed if those very specific set of clothes come to you in no time. That is also money, isn't it? That is a magic of detail and the only way manifestation will work. So remember, get crystal clear. No compromises. Take your time to achieve the state of thought, but it has to be there. You need to remember that you are one with your spirit at this point in time, and your spirit is a fragment, a tiny fragment of the mighty universe. Or in other words, you are the universe. A part of the universe is there within you. Whatever you think, you are very crystal clear. We come to the next stage now, emotions, energy in motion. When you are crystal clear about something, you will automatically feel the emotions involved with possessing the same. You need to somehow get into the deepest part of those emotions now. Taking the earlier example of a set of new clothes, what do you feel if those very same clothes are in your hand now? What are your raw emotions? How happy would you be? What are your expressions? Where are you standing when you receive them? You wear them, and how do they feel? Who are the people near you? What do you talk to them? The smell of new clothes, the feel of wearing it, the place you're going to wear it for the first time, and the looks on the faces of the people you meet. Get into the actual emotions. It is easy if you have done the earlier step of crystal clear vision of your need. It's important to feel the emotion of already being in possession of the thing you want to manifest. And do not forget a big smile on your face. Here is where the 17 seconds come into the picture. I do not know about the sanctity of the number, but 17 seconds is the minimum amount of time that you need to hold on to your deepest emotions. It can be longer, but 17 seconds is the bare minimum. It is here that 99% of the people fail. Most are able to hold on to the emotion in sparks and in installments. No. 17 seconds continuous. This creates a magic almost instantaneously. You already feel the possession, and a strong message has been sent to the universe. Your spirit is already living in it, enjoying every moment, and it has no other way but to bring it to reality. Make sure that you're not disturbed during the entire process. When I sit for meditation sessions, I get onto YouTube and put on some soft meditation music and shut my door. My folks know that I should not be disturbed. Find your way to deep concentration into the inner reaches of yourself, your spirit. Do one manifestation exercise at a time. Do not try and do several at once and mix up your emotions. Your spirit might simply get confused and decide to keep quiet. Literally. So, it's crystal clear vision and then emotions, 17 seconds. Let me sign off now, wishing you the very best with your 17-second manifestation miracle. And do not forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and do leave a comment and share the videos. You will be assured of a reply. Thank you, thank you, thank you.